Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best air horns for trucks. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying air horns for trucks. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. MPC, Train Air Horn Kit. Very loud sound from the 4 horns. Comes with hardware, an air compressor, and hoses for installation. Horns hold up to cold weather conditions and years of use. Some people think this 4-trumpet horn system compares to a train horn and is loud enough to scare others out of their lane. Can be difficult to install. The tone is higher pitched than expected. At number 2. Zento deals, single trumpet air horn. Tough enough to withstand weather and last through years of use. Runs off 12 volts DC power source. Portable, with the ability to take it from one car to another. Easy installation. Comes with hardware for mounting. Comes with an air compressor and hose. Sounds up to 150 decibels. A single trumpet horn that blares a loud signal, comes with all the hardware and an air compressor for installation. It may not be as loud as expected. Doesn't come with a power source or wiring for installation. At number 1. Kleinn air horns, dual air horn. Get noticed with long, dual horn trumpets. Corrosion resistant coating. Deep sound. Really loud horn sound. Operates using a solenoid system. These 2 air horns churn out a loud warning with the deep sound you expect from a truck horn. Requires an air compressor or onboard air system up to 150 pounds per square inch. Only comes with mounting hardware. No hoses or other accessories included. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.